Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Siperisa Salatutri dari kelas C10. Di sini saya akan take video tentang adventure and health untuk memenuhi tugas evaluasi akhir semester mata kuliah bahasa Inggris. Number 1. Adventure. Last weekend, my friend and I went camping. We camped at a tourist spot, namely Ranca Upas. We left at noon and arrived at the camping site after we walked about 1 kilometer from the parking lot. We built camp near the tree so the view is nice and cool. At night, it was getting dark and cold, so we built off bonfires and cooked food. I had next day. We spent time surfing the benches and seeing deer while the other children were there preparing food. In the afternoon, we packed our things and got ready to go. Number 2. Health. I'm one of the children in my family who really likes candy and chocolate, but eating sweets in large quantities is bad for our health. Moreover, in my family there are these cases of diabetes. However, the side effect that I feel when I eat too much sweet, as well as chocolate, result in my teeth become cavities and I had to take them to the dentist because they were very annoying and I often had tooth and swollen gums. Since the incident when my teeth were stretched, I began to reduce sweet food, especially chocolate, and when I eat chocolate, I will definitely brush my teeth and drink water immediately so that my teeth don't hurt anymore. Thank you.